Hey guys, I'm Hobby Dude, and I've got Hobby Baby Gator here with me, and
I'm Hobby Auntie.
And we're gonna be opening up the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse train track set and the train depot, isn't that right? Yeah! Hobby Baby Gator loves Mickey Mouse. So let's get these things open.
Alright!
HobbyKidsTV.
Okay, let's open up the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Mickey Train Depot playset. Do you want to do that? Yeah, okay.
Do you like Cookie Monster?
So this little train depot set includes Mickey and Pete with opposable arms. He's a posable figure. A train depot station, a rail guard, a clock, 2 benches, and 2 plants. So while Hobby Baby Gator plays with Mickey Mouse, I've got Pete here. I guess he wants Pete now. Okay, I've got Mickey Mouse now with a bunch of drool, and okay, so yeah, he's got Pete. So we got Mickey Mouse here with a bunch of drool on him. His legs move up and down. He's got a little lantern and a clock. And Mickey's arms also move up and down as well. So as you can see here, Pete is full of drool, and his arms move up and down. I'm not going to show you because he's all wet. And his legs move up and down too. Oh, and now Pete's gone. So we've got the train depot here, and you've got the little Mickey Mouse clock here up top, and you see here, the hands move. My big finger in the way. But the little clock hands move. So we've got the rail crossing guard here with a hand, and it moves up and down to stop Mickey Mouse from crossing the tracks. Here you go, baby. You can have it. There you go. There you go. Now let's open up this awesome Mickey Mouse Clubhouse train track set. Oh yeah! So here's everything that comes with our Mickey Mouse train track set. We've got 4 curved tracks, 2 straight tracks, one of them being a bridge, a tunnel, a water tower, and we've got our Goofy coal cart, our Donald Duck coal cart, and our Mickey engine. Let's put it together. Okay, let's see how this works. Uh-oh. Oh! It looks like Mickey went up the bridge by himself. Let's try it again. Let's go the other way this time. Oh, almost! Look, Happy Baby, I got you a train. You want to see the Mickey Mouse train? There's Mickey Mouse! Oh no, he left his friends again! See Mickey Mouse? Goofy's off the tracks. Let's try Mickey by himself. Whoa!
Whoa!
Do you see Mickey Mouse?
Woo! What's that? Is that Mickey Mouse? He likes it. Oh yeah?
Alright guys, I'm Hobby Dude with Hobby Baby Gator and Hobby Auntie. Give this video a thumbs up if you like Mickey Mouse toys. We'll see you guys on the next show.
Parents, subscribe for the world's best shows with learning fun. And don't forget, you can press the little info button in the top right corner to keep the hobby fun going. You don't want to miss another episode, so come on, press that button now.